Hey guys, Dave here, Getting Any Outdoors. I am coming at you live on location at the Sports Pal factory in North Bay, Ontario. The OG factory. Not one of these imposters, not some knockoff brand. This is the OG Sports Pal from 1947 to today. So this video is going to be a special request. Somebody asked for how to install the web seats, and I'm going to show you why this paper is important, but not important. If you have any canoe and you want a web seat in it, they do make web seats here at Baywood Marine. And if you have any canoe that you want to install one in, you can order a seat uncut. You're going to get this wide bugger, the brackets, screws, rivets, all that hardware, as well as this map on where to place it. I'm going to show you some tricks where this doesn't really have to apply. If you do order one for a Sports Pal, you're going to notice that these things are all bent way out and doesn't match your canoe. I'm going to show you why and how to make them fit. So stick around, check it out. This is a good one.
So this is a 12 pointed. This is the seat for the stern. This piece of paper is going to tell me it goes between, it should, well, can't read what these are. It will straddle the second and third rib from the back. That's just going to give me a ballpark of where that's going to go. I'm not using that anymore. This here, I'm going to make sure it matches the angle of the gunnel. So this is not going to match, which means I'm going to have to do something. I'll take these with me. I take that angle, push it down into the floor, which you can't see. I'm going to just flatten those to match the angle of the gunnel. So I just push that flat into the floor to change it from this to this. I'll do it with the other side, see if I can get you guys a better look at this. I'm going to try some yoga here. Hold just with my foot there. Now I've got it. Hopefully it's enough. We'll find out in a second. Oh, it's crooked. Huh. I thought I was crooked. I'm going to slide this back. Hopefully it'll straddle it second and third, which it does. If it didn't, I would just put it wherever it fits. Nice. Bring you a touch closer. Hope you don't get seasick with the wiggling and wobbling around. We're going to pull this bracket up as high as we can into the gunnel. We use these here at the shop just to hold them in place. When we're drilling our hole, we want to make sure that where we drill through is middle of the bracket. You don't want to be too close to the outside, the middle. As well, when we're on the outside, we don't want to be up here. We want to be not down here into the sheet. You want to be above the rivet line or the screws, wherever you're at. And you're going to be about halfway down the gunnel. That will allow that seat to anchor in nicely. So just feeling for the center of the gunnel, center of the bracket. Getting my fingers back out of the way. 3/16 rivet. Rivet gun. Now I'm going to make sure that there's plenty of the rivet sticking through. That's what it'll look like. If you don't have a rivet gun, you can get just some 1/4-inch bolts at Home Depot and just use a 1/4-inch bit instead to drill your hole through that. With the rivets, they come with a 3/16 rivet. That's the size hole you're going to drill. So hopefully that makes it a little easier to install the seats, bend your brackets to fit your canoe, and you'll be in much better shape by the time you fight with them. So thanks for watching. Share this around. Get it to wherever you think needs to see it. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe. Ask some questions, and I'll do what I can to fill the request. So thanks for watching, guys. Until next time.